sobrang tagal nating hindi nakita dito sa YouTube. So sobrang busy namin. Sana makapag-upload pa kami ng madami. And for today's vlog guys, pupunta tayo ngayon sa SM Supermarket.
Wow!
Kasi i-claim namin yung nakuha namin na e-gift from Union Bank. If you are a Union Bank credit card owner, if you have a successful referral, makaka-earn ka ng 5,000 e-gift. Malaking tulong siya sa amin kasi ginagamit namin siya for grocery. So yung 5,000 na yun, malaking bagay na yun. Kasi 'di ba? It's good as cash. Pwede mo siyang gamitin sa grocery, pwede mo siyang pang shopping, pwede mo siyang i-convert into GCash din, good as cash. So pag hindi ko kailangan ng e-gift, kino-convert ko lang siya sa GCash.
With your family.
What?
How about spend it with your family?
Yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're spending it with my family, with Kai and with Yel. Sometimes we're buying toys for Yel or clothes for Yel sa SM. So it's really, you know, helpful sa amin kasi nagagamit namin siya sa mga bagay na yan. So if you're interested in having a Union Bank credit card, we have, I'll be providing the link in the description below para rin ma-enjoy nyo yung perks ng pagiging Union Bank credit card owner. Okay? So, tara guys, samahan nyo kami ngayon kasi i-claim namin yung e-gift dito sa SM. Dito lang kami sa SM Aura malapit. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung process. So, bye! Nandito na po kami sa SM. Pupunta kami ngayon sa customer service kasi doon namin i-claim yung GC namin na gagamitin namin pang grocery. Okay, go. So guys, nakuha ko na yung gift check from SM. Bibili namin ito dito ngayon para sa grocery namin. So, let's go! Come on! Bali 2,000 lang yung kinuha ko. Yung nakuha kong gift check is total of 7. Ayaw kong kunin mo ng lahat. Kunin ko muna yung kailangan namin for the grocery. So, kumuha muna ako ng 2,000 para spend namin for grocery namin for this week. Yeah! Hala. So, hi guys! Pauwi na po kami. So, we're so happy na nakapag-grocery kami and nabili namin yung mga kailangan namin sa bahay. If you guys looking for a credit card, no annual fee. It gives you that rewards na deserve nyo. Wow, deserve nyo. Pati nyo consider yung Union Bank credit cards na bukod sa mga points, referrals. There's a lot of options or things to earn. So, use your credit card on your own advantage. Make sure na natitake advantage nyo din yung mga perks nila. If you're interested, ilalagay ko yung application link sa description ng video na to. I hope na ma-approve kayo kasi yung approval nito is just 2 to 3 days. So, just sign up, fill all the information needed. So, yun lang. So, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment if you have suggestions. Don't hesitate to, give us more suggestions for the vlog. So, thank you very much. Bye-bye!